Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the newly done Passport 2210 RB, new for 2020. They made a lot of upgrades. We'll dive right in and go over it. So first of all, Passport is split up into kind of two different series. They have the SLs or the super lights and the GTs or the Grand Tourings, which is kind of their more premium line. Now the smallest GT is this one, the 2210. So it's a nice little rear bath plan. It was formerly called the 2200 in the old Grand Touring series, but they made a bunch of upgrades, and let's go over that right now. So we'll start up here at the front. You'll notice a beautiful new kind of gray and black front cap. So that is a painted front cap. It'll never fade on you. It uses their kind of patented key shield technology. So it is painted like an automobile and has a layer of clear coat on it as well. New to Passport this year is power stabilizer jacks. So they've had the power tongue jack for a few years, and now they do 4 stabilizers. They've upgraded the size of their baggage doors, which you can see this barbecue fits in here no problem. It's LED lit. And it also gives you kind of a good shot of the aluminum framing that goes throughout the whole trailer. So even in the front here where this trailer rounds off, there are aluminum trusses running across, whereas a lot of trailers will switch to wood. That's part of the reason Passport can keep their weight down compared to the competition. Power awning, which Passport's had for years. Outside speakers. They still do the gas and electric water heater. And of course, the wide stance axles. Again, Passport's had that for a few years. They're now just doing it on certain floor plans, mainly the bigger ones, any models with a slide. You've got the solid stance steps on the GTs as well. So those just flip right up into the coach. They have adjustable feet and they make contact with the ground, make the steps really stable. They've also gotten rid of the gas strut that they used to do and added the nice friction hinge door. So this can take 20 mile/hour winds. You don't have to worry about it getting slammed around or anything. You've got the the long grab handle, and of course the extended season camping. So there's forced air underneath this underbelly and it is enclosed. So as long as your furnace is running, warm air is blowing down underneath your tanks and keep you from freezing up. The awning does cover the door, another nice feature. Basically on Passport, they put as big of an awning as they can per floor plan. And you'll notice that as you look at the different models. This particular model does come with an outside barbecue, so they always try to give you some form of outside cooking. If there's no full outside kitchen, it comes with a barbecue that mounts on the back, plugs in underneath, and then you have your outside grill. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, welcome inside. So you'll notice right off the bat, they've made some nice kind of interior decor changes, but they've also changed some stuff under the hood as well. So this flooring, where in the past they used to use the marine grade kind of Dynaspan decking underneath this, they've now switched to a new kind of similar to Asdale plastic kind of membrane underneath. So you never have to worry about this floor rotting out. If water somehow seeps in here or what have you, it's impervious to that. It also brings the weight down and increases the insulation. So there's no more wood in the floor of these trailers, okay? Where they do use real wood is still in your cabinetry. Passport's done that for years. These are all screwed together, just residential style. So lots of nice kind of touches and features with the Passport in terms of construction. You'll also notice the seamless countertops. That was new last year. They do the residential metal sprayer faucet with the big stainless steel sink. Of course, has the sink cover. The new Furion oven with the glass front, 3-burner cooktop, and tons of cabinets, tons of drawers. Over here, you got the U-shaped dinette, which Passport, mastered years ago. Now they're doing kind of the accent lighting underneath. Storage in front or on top. You got windows on each side. And then they upgraded this year as well to the 8 cubic foot fridge. So they used to do a 6 in the Passports, they're now doing an 8. And one of the things that makes this floor plan so unique is the closet. So awesome spot for shoes in that back corner. Coat closet, tons of storage here. Washroom, so this is a rear bath. One of the nice things about this plan is the entrance door leads right into the washroom almost. So if you got to pull over on the side of the road, use the washroom, you can do that quite easily. So coming up past the kitchen, all Passports come standard with a TV. It's got the little Bluetooth deck, HDMI, USB, you can plug movies in there. The TV is strapped in right now, but it is on a tilt, so you can aim that at the U-dinette if you get rained out and have to have movie night. They did raise this countertop a little bit, so if you wanted to, you could put a chair here, have your breakfast in the morning, however you wanted to use that. Passport, of course, has always done the full 60 by 80 queen bed. Okay, so it's not an RV queen, it is the full size. If you have a queen bed at home, the mattress will fit here or your sheets will fit here. You got kind of shelving space on either side. They've got the USB ports on either side as well. Those are 12 volt. They'll run off of your 12 volt battery outside. Storage all around, closets, same stuff Passport's kind of been doing the last couple years. Yeah, that basically hits this whole floor plan. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer, and I'll catch you next time. One thing not to forget when you're shopping on a Keystone or a Dutchman product is the industry's best 3-year limited structural warranty. So what that's talking about is, with most coaches out there, the structure of your trailer is only covered for the 1 year, in the 1 year bumper to bumper. Keystone upgrades that, and there's kind of an extensive clause on that. So anything that has to do with your structure, so whether it's your laminated walls, your roof trusses, your floor joists, your wall studs, all that kind of stuff, if any of that fails you, it's all covered for the first 3 years. Everyone knows that if you're gonna have some kind of structural problem with that from the factory, it's gonna happen within that first year or two anyway. So this just kind of gives you that guaranteed coverage. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. I'll catch you next time. Hi everybody, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This way you can stay on top of all our trailer demos, our walkthroughs, upcoming promotions here at Arcan Trailer. I'm Mike, I'll catch you next time.